fuel type, and for example, we had the 4 type, so that we win number with the first is the 1, second 2, and the next is 3, and the last is 4. Yes, and we can do that. So as I told you, I will keep with the 8 picture like that, and inside silent full type, full consumer city, full commission AWI, full commission COMB, and full consumption COMB and PG, and the last day for prediction CO2 emission. And I will use that one how to transform with the full time, because full time is not number. And the first I will use the model here is linear regression to predict. So I will divide the data set to the ratio 0.2. It means that 80% for training and 20 for prediction, for testing. And when I run this, I apply the mean square error metric to evaluate the result, and I get the result here. And when I look about why I use the mean square error, because take a look about the prediction. Okay. You see that the result here is the plot number, and so that with the plot number you can use the accuracy F1 score or confusion metric. With the accuracy, you have to change it to not plot number. But with the plot number, so that we will apply the mean square error. Yes. And with the same example, I will apply another algorithm here. For example, with the distance tree classifier, KNN, linear discrimination analysis, Gaussian naive bias, and ITM. And with the model here, with the same training and testing data, I get the result like that. Let's look. So the result here, the linear regression, SBM, Gaussian naive bias, logistic regression, distance tree classifier, KNN, linear discrimination. Yeah, 7 model. Here the simple example to show you that how to use the machine learning and artificial intelligence to the fluent data analytics. Okay, come back to results. This example, this data set to predict the CO2 emission. And the last calculation, as I told you about the fluent data, and fluent data, and what is data analysis, and how to apply AI and machine learning to fluent data analysis. And I just show you some experiment to predict CO2 emission from the fluent data set. And some reference in my presentation. Yes. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Live every day the change becomes the most important day of your life. Yeah, from Martin is the last of my present to you. Yeah, thank you for the attention. Do you have any question?
I request all participants to unmute yourself and ask the question directly to sir, or you can write out the question in the chat. You may
Yes.
write, yes, sir.
Professor, I teach in the Department of Management Studies in this university. So basically, I'm a person from the business studies background.
Okay.
So my research interest lies in the field of management. So basically, when we are looking at analyzing the data and when we have got nominal data with us, we look at statistical techniques like chi-square test. So when we are trying to find out an association between nominal variables, we look at statistical tests like chi-square test. So my question to you is, if we want to analyze the ordinal scale data, what kind of test can we look at? Can we apply in statistics?
What kind of? Sorry, what kind of?
So my question to you is, when we are analyzing nominal scale data, we apply chi-square test. When we want to find out an association between the categorical or the nominal variables. So when we are wanting to analyze the ordinal scale data, what kind of statistical test can we use?
Okay. Actually, it's difficult to answer the question. What is best bad technical to apply it? But take a look about my presentation. I talk about data mining technique. Okay. Here is some data mining technique: classification, clustering, association rule discovery, sequential pattern discovery, regression or deviation detection. And depend on your problem, you have to analyze what is the best for solving your problem.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
So depending upon the problem.
However, machine learning and deep learning is a good way for your big data.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Sir, I'm student of automobile. My name is Dharmesh. Sir, my question is how to classify the data analysis in different sectors and why it is important for us.
Okay.
In different engineering sectors.
Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, take a look. In the machine learning, we have supervised learning and we have the classification and regression. With your engineering, I think that, for example, you do robotics. Actually, you have to use reinforcement learning. However, if you only to classify, you can use some supervised learning. And sometimes your data set is not continuous, so that you don't use this classification. Maybe you can use the regression method in the supervised learning. Yeah. And sometimes you need the clustering to divide your data to the specific group. How to apply this? You can use the technique of clustering with the unsupervised learning. However, unsupervised learning is more difficult than the supervised learning. Yes, it's my answer for the question.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I got it.
Okay.
Any other question?